name called Windhorse Coffee, which is a Native American term. It's kind of about the spirit of the horse, how it moves one when you see wild horses running along the plains. It's going to work great. It's probably going to be about a 25 to 27 second shot, which is really great. Brings out the flavor of the coffee. It's going to give a great flavor and taste experience to the customer. Also, steaming the milk. We'd steam about 145 to 165 in there. The milk, we steam it so it's kind of wet. It's not over steamed. Milk's got a lot of protein in it, and so you want to really maintain the integrity of the milk because of the protein value. And we pour the milk into the cup, obviously, as you're watching, and then we give it a little bit of a design. And really, that's kind of a showy kind of thing in a way, but also it reflects the fact that the barista who's making your coffee really knows what they're doing. And it really shows that the espresso is really well done and the milk is steamed up great. So then therefore, the customer is going to have a very satisfactory experience having their latte in the morning, which is really important. We also offer some incredible bakery goods that are baked for us by a little cafe just up in Selwood called Lily Patisserie, called Breakfast Toasties. And those are all on Grand Central Bakery bread, the Como bread, which is really hearty and adds a lot of taste to the sandwiches, which are egg and ham and sausage in various combinations. Then for lunch we do grilled panini sandwiches, and gosh, I had a young guy that came in the other day and said he had never had a panini sandwich, but his mother came in and said they were the best ever. And I kind of had, oh yeah, wow, didn't think about that. I knew they were good, but it was kind of fun to hear that. But we do, for lunch, we do tuna melt, sometimes we do a meatloaf, toasted meatloaf sandwich, which is great. We do a ham, a roast beef, just various different things every day for our panini sandwiches. We also offer some really nice soups. For example, chili is we're known for our chili. We have those made off-site. Today, for example, we offer a wild rice chicken soup, which actually I had a little bit too much of that yesterday. I couldn't keep my hands out of the pot. But anyway, we do offer different soups, different times of the year, and that's been a real a good product line for us. The decor is kind of Southwest. We liked the Sedona, Arizona area, like the high plains, the desert, and we just kind of wanted to create a different experience or feel than anyone else might have in the marketplace. And so when somebody comes into the store, they actually are put in a different atmosphere, which sometimes can change how they're feeling or how they're thinking and that type of thing. So it's kind of a subtle, it's a soft, it's an earthy atmosphere, and it's different, it's unique. Can't say it would go anywhere else, but it's working right here.